Good morning, Falcons.
Today is Wednesday, November 13th. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That's how you say America, everyone. We got this done. It's the morning, our brain's trying to work. So how are you doing today, everyone? I'm Isaiah, that's Unelli. Let's begin with academics. Alright, seniors, college application deadlines are fast approaching for the California State University System and the University of California. So please, if you want to get your applications in and you want to make them look good, there are application workshops you can sign up for, or you can make an appointment with your counselor for help. We will be on Thanksgiving vacation the final week of November, so get help today. The final deadline is Friday, November 30th.
Alright, juniors and sophomores, do you know that universities only look at the 10th and 11th grade GPA for admission purposes? Push hard this year, maybe even harder than you ever have. Get help as kiosk tutoring after school and do extra credit, and ask your teachers for help. The teachers won't know if you don't ask. Next grading period ends December 6th.
Alright, activities. FCA, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, is meeting today at lunch in Mr. Timer's room, room 204. So if you're interested, please come by and check it out.
Any boys that are interested in competing with the cheer squad during the spring season can go talk to Coach Amatter at practice today after school in the cafeteria.
Alright guys, save this date, November 19th. Power 106 DJs will be coming out to Doherty High School and playing a friendly game of basketball against our staff members. Hello? Power DJs will be passing out giveaways, and last year we had special guest performers at halftime, so maybe we'll get that again. You won't want to miss the excitement, so remember, buy your ticket at the student store today. The snack bar will be selling yummy treats as well, so you can bring some extra money for snacks. The cost of entrance into the gym will be, with ASB, $5, and without will be $8. So, see you there.
Alright, seniors, don't forget, if you want your senior pictures by the holidays, your balance is due by Friday, so either mail your payment to Sunset Studios or pay it to Rosalie in the student store.
Hey Falcons, don't forget the fall rally is coming up this Friday, so remember, please dress for Spirit Days as we celebrate the 90s. Today, it's dress as your favorite 90s music group or wear a band tee from the 90s. As you see, I'm wearing my Gypsy and the Dangerous t-shirt. If you got that Pacific Rim reference, give yourself 10 points. Throwback Thursday is for throwback outfits with overalls and big scrunchies, big flannels, Nirvana shirts, coffee, you know what it is. And finally, we have Falcon Fanatic Day, where you have to wear your Falcon gear for the rally. So be sure to celebrate for the next 2 days.
Alright guys, so show your spirit. And attention DHS students and faculty. Want to be in the yearbook? Well, here's a chance. You've got to get your pictures. You've got your pictures of the recent travels. Bring those photos into Mr. Ho's class, room 901, by next Wednesday.
Alright, attention seniors. If you're a senior, please perk up your ears. Listen to this. Yearbook will be taking pictures Thursday during lunch for our Seniors with Cars spread in the student parking lot. So if you're interested, remember, Thursday at lunch. I'm so jealous.
And now, on to athletics. Alright, anyone interested in playing boys tennis, new or returning players, you need to go to the meeting tomorrow at lunch in the activities office.
Alright guys, get on the Rooter bus and let's go cheer on our Mighty Falcons in round 1 of CAF Friday night. They'll be playing at Marantha. The game will be starting at 7. So if you want to sit on the bus, make sure that you pick up a permission slip and return it to the student store by Friday at 1. The pricing information is to come up soon.
Congratulations to Boys Cross Country for making it to CIF. They will be running at Mount Sac on Saturday. Wish them a good luck. And yeah, go out to Mount Sac to show your support.
Alright, I'm a little sad because we didn't get this last announcement, so let's make some time. I want to send a hefty congratulations to our Lady Falcons volleyball team. Not only did you beat that team, I don't know their name, you beat them so bad you made me forget their name. So if you are a Lady Falcon volleyball member, please pat yourself on the back and say, you know what, done did good. All right, everybody, we're going to roll that video we rolled.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I doing? boy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you